पर्वताग्रे रथो याति भूमौ तिष्ठति सारथिः चलति वायुवेगेन पदमेकं न गच्छति. Means the chariot moves on the peak of a mountain, Parvatagre, peak of a mountain, and the charioteer stays on the ground, Bhumo, on the ground. It moves with the speed of wind, but does not go forward even one step. The answer is the potter's wheel. Potter's wheel. सुवर्णस्य सुवर्णस्य सुवर्णश्च जानकी प्रेषिता तव रामेण सुवर्णस्य च मुद्रिका. In this riddle, the poet figure out a figure of his speech that suvarnasya suvarnas suvarnas cha janaki means in this riddle Hanuman says to Janaki, says, O Janaki, daughter of Janak, O Janaki, you are of the noble family, Suvarnas, noble family, Janak's daughter, and Lord Rama of the greatest family has sent this ring made of gold for you. The figure of his speech. Suvarnas means great family, right? Janak's noble family, great family. This Suvarnas means, and this Suvarnas means made of gold. Suvarn, gold. So in this riddle, poet used figure of his speech. And next, भोजान्ते च किं पेयं जयन्तः कस्य वै सुतः कथं विष्णुपदं प्रोक्तं तक्रं शक्रस्य दुर्लभम. And in this riddle, this is an internal answers of riddles, these three words, takram shakrasya dullabham. Listen. भोजान्ते च किं पेयं जयन्तः कस्य वै सुतः कथं विष्णुपदं प्रोक्तं तक्रं शक्रस्य दुर्लभम. तो भोजान्ते च किं पेयम means what should be drunk at the end of a meal, and whose son is Jayant. Katham Vishnupadam Proktam, how is Vishnu's name said to be? The answer of first question is what should be drunk at the end of a meal? Takram, buttermilk. And second, Jayanta kasya vai sutaha, whose son is Jayant? Answer is Shakrasya. And third, how is Vishnu's name said to be? Difficult to get. Durlabham. Difficult to get. And these are word meanings. You have to write and learn. You have to write all word meanings in your notebook.